unlocking value in you, of course. From the outset, I wish to express my sincere gratitude to the organizers of this event for according me the opportunity to speak about a personality so dear to my heart. The 21st February movement celebrations has become an important feature on our national calendar, and indeed the right platform to celebrate and honor the life of our revered president, a living legend of our national liberation struggle, and above all, a great African leader. The personality being celebrated today carries a plethora of qualities appreciated by many. To me and the family, he is a loving husband, an exemplary father, To the nation, he is an iconic leader, a revolutionary for excellence, a statesman, and above all, a liberator. Suffice to say, he is everything virtuous to the downtrodden people of this world. Fellow comrades, attaining the age of 93 years in good health is truly a milestone achievement. In one's lifetime, it is not many of us can accomplish, which can only be regarded as a special gift from God. In an humble way, to thank the Almighty for giving the President the gift of a long life, as we celebrated. Sorry, let me repeat this sentence. In a humble way, to thank the Almighty for giving the President the gift of a long life. Something wrong, sorry. Let me read it. As we celebrated this special day, we were touched, indeed, and overwhelmed by the outpouring of countless messages and prayers for our dear President, for his continued good health and long life. My family is deeply humbled, to say the least, by this generous expression of great love and respect to the President. Today's event, which is being hosted on behalf of us all by the Zimbabwean Youth League, is the continuation, albeit on a larger scale, of the celebrations we commenced on 21st February 2017 in recognition of our esteemed leader. The principles he stood for yesterday remain true today and long into the future. True to his principles stands, he has on numerous occasions generously given us free advice when he said, I quote, "You don't sacrifice principle at the altar of expediency. You cannot be a revolutionary cadre yesterday, only to sell out your birthright today." That's called betrayal of your principle and betrayal of your country. A person who prevaricates is never fit to be a leader, of course. We are blessed people to have a selfless president who loves his people and country. Some of us are privileged to have stayed with him for the better part of our lives and can truly confess to his loving character. As my husband and colleague, I live with him, cook for him, share the table with him, and discuss many issues as a family. In other words, we share so many intimate discussions together as many ordinary married couples could do. The President is a moving encyclopedia, a very knowledgeable person who is widely read. Who is widely read and one who is at ease with him on any subject. He is very amazing at the manner he grasps issues, be they political, social, economic, or cultural. The bottom line is that President Mugabe is a very intelligent person indeed. Again, a rare gift from God. That is why I'm not trying to say that as Zimbabweans, we are blessed phenomenally to have Comrade Mugabe as the leader of our country and our revolutionary party, ZimdiTv. Comrade Mugabe has managed, and clearly so, to keep Zimbabweans united as a people who are bound together by a common destiny and purpose in life. The simple principle and philosophy of life which he has bequeathed to us as Zimbabweans is that of love for our country. It is this kind of philosophy and political orientation which the President espouses that has earned him and ZimdiTv the growth of the British and their Western allies. The imposition of the illegal sanctions on Zimbabwe by the Americans, the British, and their European allies was a knee-jerk reaction to his stance on land acquisition, indigenization, and black empowerment programs. Our erstwhile colonizers are fighting tooth and nail to make sure that these policies do not succeed. If they do, the President would naturally be vindicated and the ripple effects of Zimbabwe's success story will be catastrophic to the economic interests of the Western world in Africa. To the 21st and our youth in general, I say, here is your President, our President, your hero, our hero, your iconic leader, our iconic leader, whom you should try to emulate. It is therefore incumbent. It is therefore incumbent upon us all, and especially our youth, as the vanguard of our party, to foster unity and peace in all the organs of the party, as a befitting tribute to our revolutionary icon. In conclusion, I wish once again for the umpteenth time to say, my husband, happy birthday, my dearest father and father of my children. You mean everything to me and the family. We have also learned and accepted to share your visions with the rest of the nation of Zimbabwe. We cherish your counsel and wisdom. I urge you not to tire on us even when your words appear to fall on deaf ears. We love, respect, and adore you. May the good Lord continue to bless you more abundantly. I thank you.